Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a Dokkan Awakening page. So let's try tap the team menu. So this video is made for beginner, a new player. And let's see the menu in here. This one, Dokkan Awaken. Tap it. So this page is a Dokkan Awakening page that's very useful. If you want to search the unit requirement to wake, like this for example, you, this is the unit that I don't have and maybe you have, and is if you see this highlight, it means you have this character on your box, and you can check how to awaken this guy, like this, the required medals. So this is like a glossary or like encyclopedia of all Dokkan unit that can be awakened. So if you cannot find your character or your unit, just tap this. So for example, I want to search Baby D, this guy, or I want to search Broly. Sorry, Broly. So this is the Broly unit, all the Broly unit uh, in this game. And you can uh, tap the how to use information details. You can see this is the guide for you. You can read carefully how to use this page. So you can find this page very helpful. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.